Welcome to Day 3 of the AVEEROS Financials tutorial series. In this session, we'll dive into some advanced setup tools that take your financial system to the next level, boosting reporting accuracy, simplifying audits, and streamlining transaction management. Today, we'll cover 3 powerful components. 1. Account segments for detailed financial analysis. 2. Journal codes for categorizing and identifying transactions. 3. Document number formats for creating standardized, traceable records. Together, they form a strong foundation for organized and audit-ready financial operations. Let's begin. 1. Account segments. Let's start with segments, a powerful way to track financial data across multiple dimensions. What are segments? Segments allow you to tag each financial transaction with specific attributes like a department, location, project, or individual. What were the travel expenses for our regional team? Defining a segment. Example: location. Let's walk through how to define a location segment. To get started, navigate to Setup to General Ledger to Segments to Segment Definitions. 1. Account segment form will open. 2. Then click Setup Segments Codes. 3. New window will open and first select the segment type to apply. 4. Then enter new segment code, for example Q. 5. Enter a description. In this case, code is QA, means its description will be quality assurance. 6. Click Save. Now, add segment values such as 1. Factory, 2. Head office, 3. QA. 4. Warehouse. This lets you analyze transactions by location without creating separate accounts for each. Tips for using segments. Choose segments based on your reporting needs. Avoid overcomplicating, stick to the dimensions that truly matter. Well-planned segments provide powerful insights with minimal complexity. 2. Journal codes. Next, let's talk about journal codes, short identifiers that help categorize every transaction by module and document type. In traditional accounting, you'd have different ledgers for sales, purchases, and payments. In AVEEROS, we streamline this with standardized codes. Examples of journal codes. GLBP, it means General Ledger Bank Payment. GLCP means General Ledger Cash Payment. ARINV means Accounts Receivable Invoice. APINV means Accounts Payable Invoice. These codes act as prefixes for transaction numbers, giving you instant context. For instance, seeing BP at the start of a transaction tells you it's a bank payment. This makes sorting, searching, and auditing faster and more intuitive. 3. Document number formats. Now let's explore how to set up document number formats, the backbone of consistency in your records. Navigate to Setup to General Ledger to Document Number Format. Here, you'll define how various financial documents are numbered, like INV for sales invoices, CRV for cash receipts vouchers, BP for bank payments. You can also choose your preferred separators like hyphen, slash, or none. Best practices for numbering formats: include the year in your code for easy reference. Use clear, standard abbreviations like INV for invoice, BP for bank payment. Follow a logical pattern to support filters and audits. Consistent numbering makes your system audit ready and simplifies internal lookups. Summary of today's session. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Account segments add dimensions to your transactions for in-depth reporting. Journal codes label transactions by module and type. Document number formats enforce consistency and improve traceability. With these tools in place, your AVEEROS financial setup becomes far more organized, scalable, and audit-ready. Coming up next. In our next session, we'll explore financial reporting tools including trial balances, profit and loss statements, and custom report builders. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.